My dog has literal rocks for brains.
Want some? Buster, Ben. Oi!
This is an idiot. He doesn't know whose tail it is.
Yeah, when I bite you, you can't do nothing. Oh, mother chinga, you can take the cat out the hood. You can't take the hood out the cat. Good God, like trumpet, don't it?
Water, earth, fire, air.
Yeah, this is gonna be great, man. You're the best human we could ever ask for. Hell no, man. What does he think we are? Half dog, half dolphin out here?
Are you friends with her? Let me know now. Are you friends with her? Are you friends with her?
It's freaking Jerry. Asshole. What did you say? Come here. I'm sorry. That's what you get. Hey. Stop it. Your mama. What? Don't talk about my mama, stupid.
Oh, sorry.
Are you hungry?
Keep your hands off my laptop. Keep them off.
This is my house. Entry, please. He is my neighbor, Nursultan Tuliakbay. Spinning my assholes. I get a window from a glass, he must get a window from a glass. I get a step, he must get a step. I get a clock radio, he cannot afford. Great success.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking or weird?
Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le doy un dolor. Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le doy un dolor.
Get away from the vent. He fell in the vent. Oh my god. No. No, oh my god. Oh my god. Bill, come back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mom.
Hey, Jerry. Jerry, buddy. You in there? I was thinking we could, get some happy hour with the boys, you know, half price nuts. Oh, hell out of here, Ron. Jerry's not allowed any more happy hours. Yeah.
What? Oh, put it. What is it? Why is my Apple Pen on the floor? Guys, what is it? Oh, what the? Look behind you. What?
Hi, sisters! Hey, Sharon. Listen to me. Have you ever bathed in catnip? Sharon, have you ever done it? Get out of here. I'm tripping my tits off.
Our 1-year-old American bully is scared of our new Pomeranian puppy. He wants nothing to do with him.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, Papa. Come inside. I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch his hand?
Why are you licking my toes?
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't wanna be petted. Do not pet.
looks like you're trained.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
You ever hang out with your dog and it's awkward?